So the big picture for this lesson is transforming polynomial functions. And I'm going to focus the conversation in this video on the GeoGebras in the lesson and maybe teach a little about how to use these to help your learning. So this is a cubic polynomial. It's x to the third power. And so in the lesson it's asking, what functions result from the following transformations? Translate 3 right up 2. So the h goes left to right. So I'm going to go 3 to the right. So it's x minus 3. That's just the translation right 3. And then up 2, increase the k value to 2. So there you go. There's the translation right 3 and up 2. And you can see the dashed graph where it used to be, and you can see where it is now. Okay, now I've reset the function. Let's look at the next one. Translation left 4, down 1. So my h is going to go 4 to the left. Notice it's x minus negative 4, so it should be x plus 4 when you simplify. And that's what the slide refers to with a double negative sign. It's just simplified to positive. So it should be x plus 4 in the parentheses here. Down 1, k goes negative, right there. So x plus 4 cubed, then minus 1. And the plus minus you have to simplify to minus. Translation right 2, down 3. So right 2, h goes 2 to the right, x minus 2 in the parentheses, and then down 3, k goes negative. Negative 3. So there's the resulting function. G of x equals x minus 2 to the third power, and then minus 3, because the plus minus simplifies to a negative. Next is vertical stretches and vertical shrinks. And you can see the function starting off with g of x is 1 times x plus 1 quantity cubed, then plus 2. So we already have a transformation. And what if we want to go with make a 2 f of x? So a vertical stretch by 2. Change the a value to a 2. And you can see what happens. You get a 2 out in front of the parentheses here, and it's stretched by 2. What if you want to do a 0.5 or a vertical shrink by 1/2? Change the a value to 0.5 and you can see what happens, vertical shrink. What if you want to do horizontal? Okay, now this one is already a transformation. You have a 0.5 in front of the x, so that is a horizontal stretch by 2, and you can see how the function is wider. Horizontal shrink, a value needs to be greater than 1. See right there? There's a shrink by a factor of 1/2, a horizontal shrink. And what if I wanted to do a vertical reflection? What I would do is change the a value to make it negative. So if I make it negative 1, that is just a vertical reflection. And if I made it a different negative number, it would be a vertical reflection combined with a vertical stretch or shrink. Let's look at horizontal. Okay, this is a horizontal reflection. A value is negative 1, reflects over the y-axis. And notice the negative sign inside the parentheses here with the x. So you know it's horizontal reflection. Okay, so that's how you can use GeoGebras to help you understand transformations. That's the big picture.